So I want to just show you a little bit about wood grain. So wood grain are the lines that appear on a piece of wood. And you have to realize that wood is almost like a bunch of tiny straws held together with something called lignin. It's just basically a natural glue that the tree produces. So these straws follow the direction of the wood grain. I'll tell you what, here we've got this side, and you can see they're aiming outward like this. Now if I were to match this up, okay, let's say these straws are part of this wood. Okay, you see how it matches up? Now, if I were to cut the piece of wood this way, you see how the straws catch and bend? In the woodworking world, this is called tear out, and it's bad. You want to cut the wood like this so that the straws don't bend outward or snap outward. So when you identify your wood grain, you have to consider where the ends are coming out. In fact, right here, here's a great example. Right here, the grain is headed down towards the edge. If I were to cut in this direction, it would catch and tear the wood. You would want to cut from this end to this end. If I was working with this, let's see, so it goes down like this, I would want to cut it from this end, moving this way. Wood is not uniform. Here, you would have some problems with tear out if you cut from here to here. You will need to understand this for your first submission today. Read the assignment in Google Classroom and message me in office hours if you need help.